All the links you need to join my chat or take action on the course or the mentorship are here. Otherwise, click that Twitter link to private message me. How's it going, YouTube? It's Lou Crypto here. I'm back with another Hbar update for you all. Make sure you do like, subscribe and comment underneath this video to bump up that algorithm so we can grow and get these videos out to as many people as possible. If you can share it, that's much appreciated, as you'll share it to all your followers. Now, Hbar is still yet to invalidate this bearish pattern's target to the downside, which is a full retracement back down to its low. We have had some bullish news events over the last days, so go ahead and check out my Bitcoin updates. I actually spoke about a pump even before the fundamental news events actually hit. Last week we spotted a falling wedge pattern over on Bitcoin, and this is a bullish pattern. If it were to break out to the upside, it's currently at resistance after pumping from the support to the resistance due to the fundamental news events surrounding the debt ceiling agreement, as well as China unbanning crypto. So we had a pump over the weekend that I actually called during the week last week when we first spotted the pattern itself. So if you want to be able to do that on your own, then all the links you need if you want to become a student, whether that's as to take the course in your own time or to actually do one-to-one mentorship, I will throw in my course for free, and I'm going to let you join my group chat for 3 months for free as well if you were to do the mentorship. And all the links you need are found in the description down below. Private message me over my Twitter or take action through one of these two links. If you just want to try it out for 1 hour, you can try it out over here to see if you want to actually carry on with it. Heading back over to the Hbar, we need to go ahead and invalidate this pattern. So until those moments, you can see we're below this purple box as well as this purple line being the exact neckline. We've lost it. So technically speaking, the target should go ahead and be met unless otherwise. So that would be Bitcoin potentially breaking out of the falling wedge, creating the reversal wave of the fibs and heading back up to 30, 31, then new targets at 32 and 33k. We would then be dragged up on this chart over here if that were to be the case. Until those moments, we're going to have to say this is a bull trap over on Bitcoin until it's actually creating a reversal wave and breaking out of the falling wedge. Currently it's at resistance. Resistance by nature is the highest point. So technically speaking, it should go down from where it is Bitcoin, but keep your eyes peeled. Make sure you're following me over on my Twitter by clicking this link over here. We're almost at 2,000 followers, so let's get this up. It's Louis_crypto. Please make sure to actually click the links because there's another fake account going about at the moment with the E in front of the I. Just ignore, I won't message you first. And yeah, just click those links so you actually find my true Twitter over here. It's Louis_crypto. And I've been posting multiple things today. Here we go. Yeah, so Bitcoin is at resistance at the moment. Is it time to full send up to 30, 31 and 32, 33k? Or is this just another bull trap over here because we are currently at resistance? I don't even know what that's meant to mean. But that's actually quite funny. But yeah, we were making these posts over the last week. So here we go. He's done it again after calling this on the 26th of May, Bitcoin bouncing. If Bitcoin bounces, Quant bounces. Quant was at $99, and of course it shot right up to about 107, 108 right now. So yeah, this is why you need to follow along with the Twitter posts, because again over here, Bitcoin falling wedge on the 26th of May is working after yesterday's bullish reversal candlestick pattern. So if you're not aware of every single candlestick and all the chart patterns, then yeah, go ahead and take action on the course. It's all in there for you. But if you want something more personalized to your actual struggles, then of course I'd recommend doing the mentorship, and you get that course for free anyway, and 3 months in my Discord community. If you just want to become a channel member, a Discord community member, then we do weekly group calls. All my investments for the long term are in there. Anytime that I'm doing anything in there, I'm posting it. So I'm making you guys aware of all my personal moves, as well as doing weekly group calls. I didn't manage to do one last week, so there will be 2 this week. So yeah, so over here, look, there was the reversal candlestick pattern and it started to send us high, and we were essentially saying in the Bitcoin updates that it needs to break above 27.5k, and then we've got this double bottom breakout. And as we saw over the last days, we've seen this Bitcoin pump now, boom, just like that, off of the fundamental news events. So Hbar did actually start to creep up as well. It's got the same pattern over here, double bottom, but unfortunately, we're yet to reclaim those key levels of resistance. Yes, it is resistance. We want to flip them back into support. And the reason why I have this purple box over here is because I measured this whole dump from pretty much summer, August last year until the bottom at the end of December. Look at that. The day after December, the end of December, we started this rally in the new year. Exactly on the first day of the new year, we engulfed this downtrend. And yeah, we reversed it from that point. We came into this key area of resistance and actually printed a shooting star, which is a sell candlestick signal, and we actually continued through it, invalidating the sell candlestick signal and confirmed it as support over here. So flipping this golden pocket area into support, creating the reversal wave, that would suggest the 1 fib level to be met. If we can break through the 1 fib level and consistently hold above it, you know, as we can see, we fell back under, but if we could actually hold above, we would have had to these targets over here. So that was something we were mentioning back then on the channel, and that we needed to hold the golden pocket if we ever want to see these levels above. And we can see that, unfortunately, with this head and shoulders pattern over here that I gave you, we actually invalidated those targets to the upside. So a reclaim of the gold pocket would validate those patterns as those targets again. So 10.7, 12 and 14.5 cents. These will be met if we can go ahead and reclaim the golden pocket, which we unfortunately lost. So for those moments, we're no longer going to those targets in the immediate short term or mid term or whatever. We're no longer going to those targets, guys. It's looking to retrace back down to this low unless we can get back above those key levels of support. So there is a lot of work to do. And again, what we were seeing over on Bitcoin is that it could even be a bull trap at the moment, just like a quick pump off of the news and then continue lower. So please stay tuned to my Bitcoin updates going forward throughout this week, so you know what is actually going to happen with your altcoins. Again, any further guidance that you need, whether that's a course or a mentor, I will also help people achieve their goals, essentially. So over here, this double bottom formation is yet to actually break out. So if we zoom in now on the daily, we can see that we have this double bottom that has not yet broken out. It's at the resistance, just as Bitcoin is, so perfect timing. And yeah, you can call this an ascending triangle or whatever you want to call it. The target itself would be back at the 0.5 Fibonacci, so just a bit above it, right there. So in and around the 55, so back at the neckline of this bearish pattern that's, you know, still valid and sending us down to here. So even with this double bottom formation, because you lost this low, this over here is a lower low. So any bullish pattern that we see, including this double bottom, could just be a short-term bull trap to then send us lower. This could still be the case, guys. Please be aware of this, as the moving averages is what's actually giving us the trend itself, giving away the clues. So the 200 EMA, while beneath this, all pumps are bull traps essentially. So that's annoying because we could get up to there, put in a higher low and break it. I'd still have to say it's a bull trap until we break through. So even over here, as we're going up to, I'm going to say bull trap, we could go down lower like this. But yeah, of course, break above it, and we've now got this uptrend essentially, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's Hbar update. There's a lot of work for Hbar to do itself, and make sure you tune into those Bitcoin videos so you're kept up to date with what Hbar will actually follow suit. So that's pretty much it. Please do like, subscribe, comment for the algorithm. We're on the road to 10k followers, so if you could actually share this, that would be much appreciated. Make sure you're following me on my Twitter, Louis_crypto over here, and this is where you could private message me more about the mentorship or the course, or joining my Discord community over here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.